Since summer is almost over, I thought I should put together this vlog of things that I've done over the summer. It wasn't enough to make one vlog, so this is literally just like days of my life during summer. I went and got some coffee at a local coffee shop in my area. It's vanilla iced. Then I found these really cute, huge earrings at a thrift store for $1. And then I picked up some pictures from Walgreens. I love having my pictures in physical form because you never know what will happen. Like your phone can like break one day. That actually has happened to me, and I like freaked out because I thought I lost all my pictures, but I actually didn't, because it was in the photos. But like, yeah, whatever. It's good to have memories. This was obviously a hotter day in summer. We've had like probably 2 of those this year. It's been really hot, but like I went to shop at Five Below. That's so cute. I thought these cowgirl hats were the cutest things ever, but I had nowhere to like wear it, so I didn't buy it because like where would I wear that? And then here were some really cute beach bags. Okay, I showed you guys yesterday that I got this necklace from Five Below. Originally, it was like a choker. It was supposed to be like a 2-piece choker, and I hated that. And that's why it's so long. I'm gonna DIY this and turn it into a necklace today. And maybe this is a dumb idea. I never DIY'd anything in my life, but I want to cut it so it's like this. It's this long. Like you can't even see it in the front. I want to cut it so it can like actually show like up here. This may be dumb, but here we go. Oh god, I'm scared. Oh no. I did it. That's short. Okay, I cut it. It is a little like longer than I wanted it. Kind of wanted it like up here. Maybe I'll change it later. Most likely not, because this scared me a bit. But I'm probably gonna keep it like this. I like how it turned out. And here's this really cute outfit that I put together so I can just go for a walk. I forgot to show the box, but when we were on this walk, we stopped by Aldi and picked up some ice cream. This is the outfit that I wore to go pick up some food from Panda Express. It looks so bad in this clip. Here's a picture of it. It looks a little better here.